Alright guys, so got a Victory freezer here. Complaint was unit was running 70 degrees and we have no fans here, so what we did when we got here is got the gauges reading 0 pressure, so obviously we got a leak. There was no refrigerant at all inside the unit. So what we're going to do now is pump it up. Got the nitrogen tank there. So we're going to hit that up with some nitrogen and got the trusty bubbles. So see what's going on and see if we can find this leak real quick. Hit that, turn that nitrogen on. Alright gang, so I just closed it off, and you can see the nitrogen, you can see the pressure dropping pretty rapidly, and I could hear the leak inside the evap. Leak's so bad, it's actually nitrogen's hitting the fan, turning the fan. No need to even check for bubbles, but it looks like it's in a cap tube. So I had it rubbed through. I don't even need the bubbles. No, it's actually right. See if I can pull this up. I guess we'll try to repair the cap tube instead of running a whole new cap tube. It's down here on the bottom. Oh, found the leak. So, we'll sand that down. We'll try to replace. I don't know. Maybe we'll replace the cap tube, or we'll try to repair it. Got a couple little tricks for that, and we'll see how that goes, but got to rub through the cap tube, and it's right here. Just takes a few minutes, guys. Run nitrogen through, and the leak's that big. Obviously, you're gonna find it. All of them aren't this easy to find. Some of them are pinhole leaks, which can take hours trying to locate, but this one I could actually hear it as soon as we pump 400 pounds in. So, alright gang, so there's the sprinkler head. Be really careful where you're brazing. Again, we're going to drop silver. There was actually 3 little spots on this, 3 rub-throughs that were pretty much gone. Again, the right way, of course, we're going to get back to this and replace this whole cap tube. I'll get a length of it, replace the cap tube, and we'll be good. But this will be a quick fix, get them up and running. They can put food back in it, and either on a weekend or early in the morning we'll come and replace the cap tube, and I'll do a video of that. Alright, so we're going to drop some silver on this. See what happens. We do got a sprinkler above our head, so hopefully that don't go off. Just be careful with that.
Very nice.
Alright, pulling a vacuum now. 2983 is really as far as this gauge set will go with such small line sets. So these are the 550 testos. Once we get that, we'll let it run another 5 minutes, and then we're going to time it out with those gauges, just to make sure there is no more leak. Alright, so timed it out. We're at 16 minutes. No change, no rise, no drop. So looking good. We'll let it sit for another 15 minutes. Then we're going to put charge in it. It's a freezer, POE. We're going to use 404A. Low temperature, reaching. Alright guys, so we got to this point where we're actually going to fill the unit with 404A. I'm purging my line sets out here. We're going to weigh it in. There was a tag on there. It's 21 ounces, so that's 1 pound, 4 ounces. If you have the tag there, it's telling you the ounces. The best way to do it, without a sight glass, without guessing, without, the unit's going to be warm, weigh the refrigerant in. It's the best way. You can't go wrong. We always stop maybe 2 or 3 ounces and let it get close to temperature and then finish it off. So, the issue was the cap tube. Cap tubes had like 3 actual leaks on it. So the whole cap tube was turning green, and there was a couple rub throughs, two major ones. So what we're going to do, going to get a length on that, estimate length, and then order the cap tubes. There's actually 2 cap tubes on that because it's a freezer. And then we'll just braze them into the evap, and then we'll replace the filter. There's always replace the filter like on my last videos when you do them. So we'll get over there probably next week, and I'm going to make another video on that. But in a bind, like I said, it got this unit up and running. She was able to put product back in it, and everything was good. She was happy. So we'll move on to the next one, and then if I get back to this, we'll make a video, and I'll show you how to do the cap tubes. Pretty simple. Not real hard. Basic, same procedure that we did here.